In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove contacts from Facebook Messenger on your iPhone or Android device. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your Messenger application and next hit at your profile picture. There, select Phone Contacts and go to Upload Contacts, and all you have to do is turn off this option if it's enabled on your device. When you turn off this option, it stops automatically uploads contacts on your Facebook Messenger application, and also this action deletes all already uploaded contacts. So you can go to Manage Contacts, and there you can see that there are no any imported contact information. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.